Hi guys, Ally Smoothie Pup here. Do you have animal jam? Do you want a masterpiece from yours truly? Well, saying so. I don't know what I'm saying. Bills. The bills! So I'm gonna be giving away this masterpiece right here that I made specifically for the occasion. Let's just take a look. Let's take a good look at that. Oh wow. That's pretty nice. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Yeah. Nice. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving away that masterpiece and yeah. So here's what's happening though. You have an Animal Jam account, normal Animal Jam. So you write down username. Yeah, just write down your username and just whether or not you're a member or non-member. Because if you're a non-member, I'm gonna need to go to you and trade you the item because we can't give non-members. But if you're a member, I can just gift it to you. And I'm gonna write everyone's username down on 3 separate papers each. As in, like, everyone gets like 3 pieces of paper for each person, and it's gonna be a raffle. And whoever I pull out is the winner. I might also have a side gift thing. Yeah. Okay. I don't have my glasses. Better, but anyways, kind of like a side thing. You could also get Rare Tiara and Ferocious Feline Tail. That'll be the second person I pull out. We'll get these 2 items. Yeah, so that's what's going on. I've been planning to make this video for a long time now, but I never did. So I'm doing it now since today is the freaking 5th, and tomorrow go to school. Don't want to go to school, but yeah, all right. Yep, I'm doing a giveaway. All right, yeah. Yeah.